Sadhika.
I'm Radhika. Alright Sadhika, what's up?
I feel very grumpy today क्योंकि मेरे को कल रात बिल्कुल नींद नहीं मिली.
What were you thinking about or what were you doing?
I wish it was the second thing. I wish. But nahin, my mind was just so active and I don't know what was I thinking. But at one point, I think I was imagining what it would be like to be in a room where there is also Donald Trump
And
there is Shivani Didi on the other side. Oh my god.
The one is like a hardcore capitalist businessman.
Oh, and Sonam Kapoor also. Oh my god.
Disaster. Yeah.
Yeah.
Best of all the worlds.
Or worst of all. Oh, nahin.
Sure,
Worst nahi keh
Shivani
sakte. Okay,
Didi.
sorry. I take it back.
Shivani is low.
Yeah, low.
So, मैं ये सोच रही थी इतना तो हम अग्री करते हैं कि लड़कियों के पास लड़कों से ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस होते हैं इन द सेंस हम बाहर जाते हैं women get approached more often than men get approached by women.
Yes.
Right? सोशल मीडिया पे भी स्नैपचैट फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम लड़कियों के पास ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस आते हैं लड़कियां हार्डली किसी लड़के को डीएम करती है रिक्वेस्ट भेजती है देन ऑल्सो टिंडर बम्बल हिंज हैज़ मेड इट फार ईजियर फॉर वुमेन टू डेट ऑब्जेक्टिवली आउट ऑफ देयर लीग राइट हेंस वी कैन कंक्लूड कि फॉर एन एवरेज वुमन इट इज़ फार ईजियर to cheat than for the average men. Like men would have to really go out and seek for opportunities and women can just exist and they'll have opportunities to cheat. Now, अगर लड़कियों के पास मौका है लड़कों के पास नहीं है लड़कियों के पास ज़्यादा probability है लड़कों के पास कम है और फिर भी लड़कियां लड़कों से ज़्यादा नहीं चीट कर रही तो क्या इसका मतलब ये है कि लड़कियां ज़्यादा लॉयल है लड़कों से
Well, I must say that is a very interesting way to put it, right? But I do feel कि लड़कों को इतने सारे मौके चाहिए ही नहीं चीट करने के या चीटर होने के. But by that definition, I would like to say कि I think एक टाइम था जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे डंके की चोट पे हम लोग क्लेम कर सकते थे या बोल सकते थे that what women are more loyal than men. I think that there was a phase or a time, but I do feel or I do sense and look around कि maybe like the scales have tipped over. कि अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अब ऐसा कोई ये नहीं बोल सकता कि हाँ visibly लड़कियाँ कम चीट करती हैं और लड़के ज़्यादा चीट करते हैं so hence लड़कियाँ ज़्यादा लॉयल हैं और लड़के कम लॉयल हैं.
See, that is what on papers they're almost the same. मतलब लड़के थोड़े से ज़्यादा है if you look at the statistics no तो लड़कों का ऐसा ही है कि मतलब 3-4% ज़्यादा टाइप्स एंड ऑल्सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ स्टैटिस्टिक कि 18 से 29 की एज में लड़कियां ज़्यादा करती है एंड 29 के बाद लाइक 30 एंड अबव इट्स मेन हु चीट मोर.
क्या कह रही है तेरे को पता है अभी कुछ टाइम पहले आई वाज सिटिंग विद दिस रिलेशनशिप कोच एंड द कोच सेड दैट women have a higher sexual energy in them post their 30s and 35. So which is why वो जितने भी examples दिखते हैं ना कि मतलब married life में women suddenly start going to the gym and taking private वो जो personal trainer और फिर वो personal trainer के साथ train करने लग जाती है.
How unfamiliar we are to the world of gymming and working out.
Yeah, exactly. Also we're not post 35 yet. So anyway, तो भाई apparently लड़कियों का वो जो sexual energy होती है it is at an all time peak after they're 35.
Understood and I agree. But यहाँ पर क्या बात हो रही है बात है कि दुनिया लाइक हमारे बिहेवियर और हमारे आउटकम्स मौकों के मोहताज होते हैं ना. सो अ 35-year-old woman, how many women you know in our brown society who can go and take personal trainer sessions, right? So a 35-year-old something like mom who's most women at that age would be mothers, right? So they get so entangled with the responsibilities and by the boundaries set against them that they are more like less likely to cheat as compared to men. ठीक है? And that is what the data says. But again data इतना वो नहीं है जितना हमने सोचा था. It's almost same. लड़के बस थोड़े से आगे है. But question ही तो यही है ना कि अगर लड़के भी कर रहे हैं लड़कियां भी कर रही है बट लड़कियों के पास मौके तो ज़्यादा है ना करने के. सो आर वी सेइंग दैट वुमेन आर मोर लॉयल?
आई थिंक एक हद तक हाँ, राइट. एंड हम लोग सिर्फ अपने आसपास अपने एक सैम्पल साइज बना सकते हैं जहाँ पे मैं तेरे को देख रही हूँ या फिर हम अपने कलेक्टिव दोस्तों को देख रहे हैं और हम आसपास देख रहे हैं, तो उस हिसाब से आई वुड डेफिनेटली से दैट इन माई इमीडिएट सर्कल एंड इन माई रियलिटी, येस, women seem to be more loyal, right, in my own experience. But I would also like to wonder, मैं सोचती हूँ इस बारे में कि क्या women ज़्यादा loyal हैं या फिर क्या women ज़्यादा careful हैं?
मुझे तो लगता है फट्टू है. Because I'll tell you what, again, this is like a very interesting point कि लड़कियों के दिमाग में चीटिंग एक गलत चीज़ होती है. We've been fed as infidelity as like a very bad thing, है ना, पाप है. तो लड़कियों में और ये इनफिडेलिटी के रास्ते पे जाना आपको बुरा बना देगा, और लड़कियों में तक कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं है कि वो बुरी बन पाए. Women by nature, most of them are people pleasers, right? We are like that. We spend our lives trying to get validation from the people around us. So we don't have the confidence also to look bad, and that is also another factor. Like conscience, वो हमारे पास कोई चीज़ है,
हाँ.
वो एक वो मरी हुई extinct चीज़ है जो हमारे पास थोड़ी सी रह गई है. It's like on the verge of extinction, and that's called conscience.
फेयर पॉइंट. आई डू अग्री कि ये तो है कि बाय डिफॉल्ट आई थिंक दैट वुमेन आर नाइसर ह्यूमन बींग्स एज कम्पेयर टू मेन. मेन में गट्स ज्यादा है. अब वो किसी भी चीज के लिए हो सकते हैं, राइट? वो लड़ाई करने के लिए भी हो सकते हैं और कलेश करने के लिए भी नहीं. कलेश करने के लिए लड़कियों में ज्यादा गट्स है, बट वो चीट करने के लिए भी हो सकते हैं. आई थिंक उन लोगों को कॉन्सिक्वेंस का डर थोड़ा कम लगता है.
Also, this is something that a male colleague told me once, and I just randomly asked him, like, who do you think cheats more, and what is your experience? He was like, obviously men. The guy to my face, because obviously he was not in front of a camera or he had nobody listening to
or
him,
judging
right?
him.
So he was honest to the core, and he was like, Radhika, obviously men. He's like, listen, our sex drive is crazy. ठीक है, हम जब सोचते हैं तो फिर हम नहीं सोचते हैं. So we just go for it. So we can be having the prettiest, nicest wife sitting at home, but when we're out and the opportunity presents itself, we can't help but take rational decisions. And women essentially do not have an active sex drive. We have a reactive sex drive, right?
Okay, explain more on that.
So there's a guy standing there.
Hello.
Let's say decently hot, right? And whatever, just nice to look at. Now I won't be like, I like this guy, I want to do it with him, right? That's how men do it. That's how men function. Ek ladki hai, badhiya, thoughts. But when the guy comes to me, treats me well, flirts a little, gives me attention, then I feel the want or the desire for something to happen between us. So, we're reactive beings. When it comes to sex drive particularly, we need somebody to initiate, and then we may or may not respond. Men in this case are initiators, right? So women essentially have a reactive sex drive. That is one. The other very important thing is that women have to be sort of miserable in their relationships to go for it. Like mostly when you see women cheating or on the verge of cheating is when they're just miserable in the relationship, सब कुछ खराब चल रहा है, मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है, the spark is gone. They don't even sometimes remember that, oh, they have a sex drive or they haven't had sex in like a year or two. And once in a while they just do that duty sex with their husbands. And, they don't even, like, these things don't even occur to them because they get so busy. And of course, they do miss that part of the life, but they're just so lost. And then, one day, grocery shopping चल रही है और दूध और सीरियल्स की आयल में एक गुड लुकिंग सॉल्ट एंड पेपर खड़ा हुआ है, एंड देन वो सडनली उसका आर्म आपसे ब्रश करता है और फिर आप उसकी तरफ देखते हो और थोड़ी सी धक धक होती है, एंड देन ही आस्क्स फॉर योर नंबर. That is where the spark comes. And only on the off chance that this setting presents itself, the girl would be tempted to have a slip. And even then, in most cases, they're going to step back. And that is what even Andrew Tate, in one of his interviews, I know this man finds a way to come up in my episodes. So even Andrew Tate, in one of his interviews, he said that women do emotional cheating. Women cheat out of emotional reasons. men cheat out of physical reasons, which is why a woman cheating is far more worse than a man cheating. I'm like, oh,
वो
bullshit.
तो
Like
he
that's a
justifies
bullshit.
men cheating as
Exactly.
nature and behavior and
exactly.
genetics.
कि लड़के को तो सिर्फ ठरक मच रही है तो वो इसलिए चीट कर रहा है, लड़की को कहीं और कुछ और फील हो रहा है वो इसलिए चीट कर रही है, which is why a woman cheating is far more worse. No, cheating is cheating. Irrespective of the reason, आप किसी का इसलिए मर्डर करो क्योंकि आपको गुस्सा आ रहा था, आप किसी का इसलिए मर्डर करो क्योंकि आपको उसकी प्रॉपर्टी चाहिए थी. मर्डर इज मर्डर, राइट? सो सिमिलरली आई बिलीव चीटिंग इज चीटिंग एंड इट्स बैड नो मैटर व्हाट इज द ड्राइविंग फैक्टर. बट exactly, like women have to be very unhappy in their marriages, या फिर with their husbands or boyfriends, and that is where they start to find that emotional validation, and you know, they find people or like somebody who can fit in that vacuum that's been created, right? And men can be in the happiest marriages. Men don't need a reason to cheat. That is the whole point here, right? कि लड़कियों को something terribly has to go wrong. So like you said, कि लड़कियों का सेक्स ड्राइव 35 के बाद ज़्यादा होता होगा, बट इफ दे आर सेक्शुअली सेटिस्फाइड इन देयर रिलेशनशिप्स, दे विल नॉट फील द नीड टू गो आउट एंड चीट, राइट? सो इफ women are being well fed in both ways and they are provided for in terms of emotional security also and everything, like if they're in a happy relationship, they will not feel the need to go to any other man in the world, right? And that is something we can speak
Vouch
with experience.
for. Yeah.
Okay, it's true, it's actually true. If there's a guy who's giving us what we need in every way possible, or we're not going to look at anybody else for that matter, Hrithik Roshan can come and stand in front of me and I wouldn't care. But guys don't need a reason. They can be in the happiest of relationships. Women can be feeding them well, giving them all the orgasms in the world, and giving them all the love, and can be the hottest, woman in most rooms, and they would still feel the need to cheat because it's like so. And इसके पीछे का सबसे बड़ा reason है कि लड़कों को men essentially, and this has been quoted by a psychologist, कि लड़कों को सेक्स में कोई खराबी नहीं दिखती है.
And supporting that, I'll tell you what, recently I was reading this paper by a psychologist. He was a male psychologist and he'd done a little bit research on loyalty in general. So उसका ये कहना था कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ऑल नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि लॉयल्टी का मीनिंग लड़कियों के लिए अलग है और लॉयल्टी का मीनिंग लड़कों के लिए अलग है, विच आई थिंक रिलेट्स टू योर पॉइंट.
Exactly.
एंड आई टेल यू
Hang
हाउ.
on.
ही सेड दैट women are more loyal to their feelings. For example, till the time a woman is in love with you, ठीक है, she is okay to go 7 samundar par, she is okay to be your ride or die, she is okay to sacrifice everything in her life and sacrifice all the luxury and be part of your struggles and support you and be next to you no matter what happens, till the time she's in love with you, until the time you're making her feel that, oh my god, you're it for me, you're the only one and we're going to do it together. Till the time that feeling exists, the woman is loyal because the woman is loyal to that feeling that she's feeling. But if the feelings dip, if the attraction reduces, if they don't feel, she doesn't feel that spark, or she doesn't feel that she's loved or valued or seen, that is when the loyalty takes a hit, because then she will no longer feel the need to be loyal to you. And उसने ये बोला कि जब लड़कों की बात आती है, men, उनकी साइकोलॉजी ऐसे काम करती है कि उनके लिए लॉयल्टी का मतलब अलग होता है. लड़कों के लिए लॉयल्टी का मतलब है दे कैन बी लॉयल टू देयर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, टू अ सेंस ऑफ ड्यूटी. ठीक है, तो मतलब एक लड़का शादी के मंडप पे खड़ा होगा, 7 फेरे लेगा और बोलेगा कि ठीक है, आई विल बी विद यू एंड आई विल प्रोवाइड फॉर यू एंड आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ एंड आई विल सपोर्ट यू. ठीक है, और उसके लिए उस ड्यूटी को फुलफिल करना इज लॉयल्टी. कल को जाके और वो ये नहीं कहेगा कि यार मैं हर दिन क्यों बोलूँ तेरे को कि आई एम इन लव विद यू व्हाटएवर, मतलब मैंने एक बार बोल दिया और मैं कर रहा हूँ ना. एंड फॉर हिम द जॉय कम्स आउट ऑफ फुलफिलिंग दैट ड्यूटी. सो एज लॉन्ग एज ही इज फुलफिलिंग दैट ड्यूटी इन हिज हेड, ही इज लॉयल.
Yeah.
And maybe that is what, like it binds into your point, because you were also saying the same thing, right? कि लड़कों के लिए शायद physical slip as such loyalty में नहीं आता. वो नहीं आता.
Firstly, what you've said makes so much sense, and it is true. It is true. That is actually, if you look around, of course, आप किसी भी केस में एक्सेप्शन तो निकाल ही लोगे, बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग वर्ल्ड आउट देयर एंड देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल ऑफ सच डिफरेंट इमोशंस एंड फीलिंग्स. ऑब्वियसली यू नो एक्सेप्शंस निकल आएंगे, बट बाय एंड लार्ज व्हाट यू हैव सेड होल्ड्स. इट्स सो ट्रू दैट लड़कियों के लिए वो फीलिंग है और लड़कों के लिए कि भाई सुन ना, मैं कमा रहा हूँ, मैं तेरे को रोटी दे रहा हूँ, कपड़ा दे रहा हूँ, तेरे बच्चों को अपने
साथ में होते हैं,
all of that, and I'm there, and that is everything that I need to do. So I am loyal. As long as I'm not leaving you, I'm loyal.
Yeah.
Right? And they don't mind. They actually see, that is what most men stay loyal, क्योंकि वो उनको पता है कि अगर मैंने चीट किया तो लड़की छोड़ देगी. अगर उनको इस बात की गारंटी मिल जाए कि इसको पता नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है, या दैट योर रिलेशनशिप विल बी देयर, शी विल नॉट फाइंड आउट एंड देयर इज नो वे दैट दिस इज गोना कम आउट, you go ahead. मौका मिलने पे the only kind of men who will not cheat is most likely going to be the men who just have this innate belief कि ये गलत है. चाहे वो मम्मी पापा से फेड हो, चाहे वो सोसाइटी से फेड हो, चाहे वो एक स्पिरिचुअल रीजन की वजह से हो, बट यू नो वो एक छोटा सा कॉन्शियस होगा तभी रुकेगा अगर उसको पता हो कि ये बात बाहर नहीं निकलने वाली, राइट? बट मोस्ट मेन विल गो फॉर इट बिकॉज एसेंशियली दे डोंट सी इट एज समथिंग रॉन्ग. दे फील दैट गोइंग टू अनदर वुमन, स्लीपिंग विद हर just to get an orgasm or two, it's absolutely fine. And that does not mean that I stop loving my woman any less. So technically I'm not doing anything wrong.
Because for them, they want to, you know, be loyal to the oath that they take, which is why the saying that, you know, aren't you a man of your words? Because for men, being true to their word means a lot.
I don't think it does anymore, but whatever.
नहीं, but I do think, having said that, I also do
लड़कों
feel
से ज़्यादा कोई झूठ नहीं बोलता सादिका, please.
यार पता है, but you know, honestly, I have to, you know, like go back to my point and say that I do feel that the, you know, fabric of what men and women used to do or traditional behavior is changing nowadays.
Yeah, that's true.
For sure, because you know,
पहले लड़कों में ना ये बहुत होता था, मैंने ज़बान दी है, you know, that ज़बान देना used to mean something, and you know, men would actually want to be men of their words. But I don't think that's true anymore because भाई लड़के मुंह पे बोलते हैं. So the other day, you know, I was having this conversation and this friend of mine is like, राधिका मैं हिंज पे एक लड़की से बात कर रहा हूँ and this chick she wants me to sing for her, तो मैं क्या करूँ? I'm like, so you sing. And then he's like, क्यों? You know, why should I? तो मैंने बोला तो मतलब आई एम सॉरी, मतलब वाई एल्स आर यू नो टू गेट लेड, लाइक टू गेट लेड ऑब्वियसली. इतना ड्रामा नहीं होगा मेरे से. लाइक और जो तुम बाकी ड्रामे करते हो कि ओ यू सो गॉर्जियस एंड यू नो देयर समथिंग अबाउट यू, देयर समथिंग अबाउट यू दैट आई हैवंट कम अक्रॉस इन एनी अदर वुमन, एंड यू नो देयर समथिंग अबाउट योर स्माइल एंड ओ माय गॉड आई हैव बीन थिंकिंग अबाउट यू फॉर द लास्ट 2 days and none of it is true, right? So you are so used to lying that झूठ इज द वेरी टूल यू यूज टू पटाओ लड़कियां भाई, एंड बाद में वो झूठ सच बन जाए, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. बट एसेंशियली इनिशियली लड़के झूठ ही बोलते हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट यू नो men of their words kind of has faded away, but whatever.
But I do think a lot of, you know, it is so funny the things that happen around. एक टाइम होता था जब, you know, cheating universally would be frowned upon. भाई आजकल लोगों को अपने लाइफ पार्टनर्स मिल रहे हैं चीट कर करके. You saw that entire story about that guy who was Tara Sutaria's ex-boyfriend. Aadar Jain. And I mean, I felt so bad for Tara Sutaria, and you know, like all my support and love to her.
Everybody
you go
did.
girl, but come on, best friend ने boyfriend के साथ cheat किया, and now they're married, and what was that?
But are you sure that that girl was Tara Sutaria's best friend only and not her friend through Aadar Jain? Because मेरी understanding ये थी कि वो already एक group में थे and then they were introduced or something.
चल होंगे भाई, but
it's a very common thing.
And you know, people genuinely, I think at this point, प्यार इतना कम और रेयर हो चुका है ना कि लोगों को फर्क नहीं मिलता कि वो ऑनेस्टी के साथ मिले या चीटिंग करके मिले, एज लॉन्ग एज प्यार या एक पार्टनर मिल रहा है.
बट ऑनेस्टली व्हाट आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इज कि जिस लड़की को चीट करके दूसरा लड़का मिल रहा है, उसके दिमाग में ये नहीं आता कि अगर आज उसने किसी और के साथ ऐसा किया मेरे लिए, तो ये मेरे साथ भी ऐसा कर सकता है किसी और के लिए. बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली जस्ट आउट ऑफ दिस रीजन I would never. Like for example, firstly, I don't think I can ever get on with friends वो, because you know, you remember that line, मेरी बहन का लड़का मेरा भाई. So you know that is the hardcore बहन code. But at the same time, what I also feel is, if there's an unknown girl, let's say I know for a fact that there's this guy, he's dating somebody else, and he just found in इंटेंस क्रेजी अट्रैक्शन टूवर्ड्स मी एंड उसको लग रहा है कि इस लड़की के साथ कुछ रियल है और ये तो सिर्फ मजाक चल रहा था, वो उसको छोड़ के मेरे साथ हो जाता है, ठीक है, और मैं मान लेती हूँ कि हाँ वाकई में ही उसके साथ ये था, बट इसको मेरे साथ कुछ ऐसा फील हुआ, सो ही इज नॉट चीटिंग ऑन हर, ही इज ब्रेकिंग ऑफ दैट रिलेशनशिप एंड देन कमिंग टू मी. So technically there's no cheating involved, but I will always have this sort of fear and doubt in my head and heart कि अगर ये उसके साथ ऐसा कर सकता है तो कल को इसको सेम फीलिंग किसी और के साथ आई तो मेरे साथ भी तो ऐसा कर सकता है ना. लाइक आई डू बिलीव, सी वंस इन अ one off cases I understand, but I am a big believer of fitrat. You know,
when you talk about cheating, you have to talk about Megan Fox and Machine Gun Kelly. I mean, Megan Fox is pregnant with Machine Gun Kelly's baby. And she's Megan Fox. Imagine.
And that guy looks sick.
And the guy did something sick. What the fuck, yeah?
What was that thing about drinking each other's blood and shit?
But that was a theory also.
No, that wasn't a theory. They said. Yeah, they said it.
But they haven't mentioned ना कि मतलब कितना पिया, 1 liter पी लिया क्या, या फिर you've just tasted it or it's just whatever.
इतना भी ना, let's say I do your blood test for sugar. Would I drink your blood? Like how sick is that? But anyway, yes. I mean, you need to be really, really stupid, like really stupid to cheat on Megan Fox.
Yeah. And see, most guys, they just cheat because I don't even know why do they cheat. Why would anybody cheat on Megan Fox? Why would anybody cheat on Jennifer Aniston? Why would anybody cheat on Angelina Jolie?
It is simply out of your hormones dancing on your head, which is why, you know, science says that men are more likely to cheat, but women are more likely to end a relationship because of cheating. And that is exactly what proves my point. क्योंकि लड़कों को कोई दुख दर्द नहीं है अपने रिश्ते में और उनको कुछ गलत नहीं दिख रहा ये काम करने में, they will go ahead and do it and they want the relationship because वो इसलिए तो कर ही नहीं रही ना क्योंकि relationship में कुछ problem है, वो इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि उनको मजा आ रहा है करने में. लड़कियां करती ही इसलिए है क्योंकि उनको यहाँ पर
मजा नहीं आ रहा,
miserable feel कर रही है, so they go elsewhere and once they find their happiness somewhere else, they're more likely to go away. This anyway, but however, this does not hold in the brown society because even if, let's say, women find their happiness outside of their homes, they're too afraid to, you know, go through that whole process of divorce and log kya kahenge,
but I think not anymore.
Leaving their kids. No, Sadhika, you speak for the high posh societies of T1 cities.
No, but I also speak for the women who are growing up and growing into and coming into that workforce and into that lifestyle that enables them to make choices.
Believe me, there are still women out there.
There will always be women because you can't eradicate that thinking.
Absolutely. T2, T3 तो भूल जाओ आप. वो तो अभी फिर भी, you know, there's a lot of development to happen there and, you know, women are yet to, you know, bolden up. But even in our T1 cities, there are women who are well-read, educated, can make their own money. But you know that whole process of मुझे अपने माँ बाप के घर वापस जाना पड़ेगा या फिर मुझे फिर से start over करना पड़ेगा या मेरे बच्चों की custody हो जाएगी and they're going to have a very, very bad upbringing. That holds them back.
No, I'm sure there are still women out there who feel the pressures of society and of, you know, log kya kahenge and life kaisi hogi. I completely understand. But I am very proud of the women who are breaking out of the stereotype and changing the narrative.
Yeah,
and of course, it's slow and it's one day at a time. But, okay, tell me one thing.
I do not support cheating. I definitely do not support cheating. But let's say if you're miserable in your current relationship and you think you found your happiness elsewhere, gather the courage, put your foot down.
And leave.
End it and go for it. Like, you know, yeah.
Okay, tell me one thing. Would you forgive your partner if you found out that the person cheated on you, but उसने बहुत ज़्यादा दिल से, बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशन के साथ, बहुत जेन्युइनली तेरे को अपोलोजाइज़ किया और तेरे को ये चीज़ बताई और यकीन दिलाया कि इट वाज अ वन ऑफ, इट वाज अ स्लिप, आई एम इन लव विद यू एंड दिस विल नेवर हैपन अगेन. वुड यू बी एबल टू फॉरगिव?
Okay, firstly, I don't even want to be asked such questions hypothetically. As uncharacteristic as my answer may sound, because it's going to be sort of politically correct, I'll tell you why. I recently read this somewhere कि कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो इतनी पर्सनल और नुआंस्ड होती हैं कि एज अ थर्ड पर्सन until you've been in that situation, you do not get the right to make a comment. And I really related, not related, but it hit me hard because, you know, etc. when it comes to things like शादी, इवन रिलेशनशिप्स, दोस्ती, पैसा, बिजनेस, betrayal, you know, all of these things are so fucking nuanced कि जब तक आप किसी की सिचुएशन में नहीं हो आप बोल ही नहीं सकते ओ यू शुड हैव नोन बेटर,
Right.
ये सही था ये गलत था, क्योंकि जब आप उस सिचुएशन में होगे यू गोना एक्ट equally foolish or even worse.
Yeah.
So, you know, don't pass. So I haven't been in that situation. Tomorrow, let's say if the father of my kids does this thing and I do feel that the apology is sincere, and at the same time I weigh my pros and cons and I know that leaving him is going to be harder on my kids and on my family life than accepting him would be on my self-esteem, I probably would keep him. So, you know, I think these things are very nuanced, and I as a single girl with my high morals cannot be like, oh, I'm not going to accept anybody.
Yeah.
I think I won't. And God give me the strength to not be in this situation in the first
God
place.
give you a guy that doesn't cheat on you.
Yeah, and then if it does happen, karma, then, you know, give me the strength to walk away. But I don't think I can answer that right now. What about you? I think you wouldn't.
I think कि मैं नहीं माफ़ कर पाऊंगी. मुझे लगता है कि मैं I think मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. I don't have, you know, a psychology backing this, but some things you just know in your bones, some things you just know in your gut. कि, you know, maybe, and I can put up with a lot of shit, and unfortunately I have. I no longer will, but, you know, but I don't think, I think नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
It takes a lot. It takes a lot.
But you know, it makes me wonder कि whether this was the reason or what would go on in the minds of, for example, say Bollywood wives. जैसे Maheep Kapoor has gone on record to, you know, mention कि उसके husband ने इधर उधर मुंह मारा हुआ है या फिर, you know, cheat किया हुआ है या फिर explore किया हुआ है, and she has managed to stay by his side and move on and, you know, like be in that relationship and nurture that relationship. So, you know, for a lot of people, especially the Bollywood stars and starlets, आई थिंक फॉर देम ऑल्सो, जैसे लड़के और लड़कों के लिए लॉयल्टी का मीनिंग अलग होता है ना, साइकोलॉजिस्ट ने बोला था, आई थिंक एक कैटेगरी होनी चाहिए बॉलीवुड स्टार्स की, बिकॉज बॉलीवुड स्टार्स के लिए भी लॉयल्टी का मीनिंग बहुत ज़्यादा अलग होता है.
Absolutely. See, I'll tell you what this is what I truly believe in. We're all the product of our environment. There is somebody out there sitting in a village and thinking of us as absolute demons for consuming alcohol. You and I, coming from Punjabi backgrounds, we have normalized alcohol consumption so much कि इसमें कुछ हमें बुरा दिखता ही नहीं है. हम किसी को मार नहीं रहे, हम किसी को थप्पड़ नहीं मार रहे, हम किसी से लड़ाई नहीं कर रहे, हम किसी को गालियाँ नहीं दे रहे. Alcohol is fine, we're just drinking it, we're having our fun and we're doing it in limit, it's absolutely fine. But somebody out there who's in a completely different world, right, with completely different set of values, thinks that this
is
Zehar and this is Paap,
Yeah.
right? We sitting here with
it's
our
punya.
morals and our values, completely an outsider to that world out there, we think that is Paap, and oh my god, how can you even live like that? You
Yeah.
know, what kind of life is this? What kind of a marriage is this? But उन लोगों की completely अलग set of values है, और जिस environment में वो लोग रहते हैं उस environment ने उनके लिए बहुत अलग चीज़ें normalize कर दी है, right? What has been normalized for them hasn't been normalized for us, and tomorrow if you and I become Bollywood actresses, then let's talk about it.
Yeah, that is true.
Right?
फिर बात करेंगे.
So, you know, ये एक कहावत है कि चोर वही है जिसको मौका मिला चोरी करने का, right? तो जिसको मौका नहीं मिला वो बोल रहा है मैं चोर नहीं हूँ, बट जब आपको मौका मिलेगा और तब
तब
भी
आप
चोरी
क्या
नहीं
करोगे?
करोगे तब बात करेंगे.
Yes, that is
And
true.
I have people around me who've proved this one little saying to me, because I know this person in distant family, you know, would be like smoking, drinking, party, oh my god, right? And you know, एकदम हम तो, you know, 9 बजे खाना खा के 10 बजे सोने वाले लोग and all of that, because you do not have friends. Right? You do not have that kind of circle. You do not have that kind of access
Yeah.
to the places that offer this kind of life.
But
right?
when bro got the opportunity,
Yeah. Now he's smoking also. He's drinking also. And he's doing all those things that he frowned upon. So, you know, ये double
Yeah.
standards हम लेके घूमते हैं. तो उस environment में जब होंगे तब बात करेंगे. But concluding this thing, I just feel that cheating is wrong. चाहे उसके पीछे ड्राइविंग फैक्टर आपके इमोशंस हो और आपकी मिजरेबल शादी हो, या उसके पीछे ड्राइविंग फैक्टर आपकी ठरक हो, आई थिंक इट्स रॉन्ग इन बोथ केसेस. एंड वी एज ह्यूमंस, आई थिंक वी हैव द ऑब्लिगेशन टू फाइंड, लाइक टू फिगर आउट कि उन ड्राइविंग फैक्टर्स को कैसे अपनी ज़िंदगी से निकाला जाए. And I recently read this somewhere, it was so interesting that it's better to avoid than to resist.
Ooh,
So if I have
very interesting.
if I have something to give away to the audience, it would be this: कि it is far easier to avoid something, avoid a temptation, than to resist it. I want to avoid smoking. I sit with 10 people who do not smoke. I will not have the urge to. I sit with 10 people who are all smokers.
I would have to resist.
I don't want to smoke. I will be fine. But one of these days when I'm really tensed, I'll be like, सादा का देना यार, एक पी लो.
सही बात.
Right? So अपने आप को उन environments से withdraw कर लो जो आपको ये temptation देंगे. I think that's the easiest way to keep yourself. Of course, you're supposed to have that kind of self-control also. But अगर उस राह नहीं जाना, तो it's best to avoid those kind of environments in life. And the last thing that I would say is that डेटा ये कहता है कि लड़कियां चीट करती हैं और डेटा ये भी कहता है कि लड़के चीट करते हैं. बट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंटली डिबेट ये नहीं है कि कौन ज़्यादा चीट करता है. लेट्स टेक अवे द रियल शिट फ्रॉम दिस डेटा, विच इज दैट वंस अ चीटर ऑलवेज अ चीटर. That is what data backs, right?
But you know, I do not agree with that wholly and solely. जबकि मैं खुद बिलीव करती हूँ कि एक इंसान का कि कि कुछ भी चेंज हो सकता है, एक इंसान की फितरत नहीं चेंज हो सकती, राइट? बट आई डू थिंक दैट ये ब्लैंकेट स्टेटमेंट नहीं बोलनी चाहिए कि nobody is capable of change और nobody is capable of redemption.
See, I have to go on record and I think हम इसकी एक रील बनाएंगे और पिन करेंगे अपने इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे कि no statement is a blanket statement. And any statement that I say as a blanket statement by default is subject to exceptions. There will always be somebody out there who'll go against the odds.
Yeah, that is true.
And prove
that is true.
To not be what you're claiming
Yeah.
to be, right?
Yeah.
So let's not go there. Exceptions हमेशा है. Exceptions हमेशा रहेंगे, but by and large majority stereotype सब यही कहता है और डेटा भी यही prove करता है और एक्सपीरियंस भी यही कहता है कि जो चीज़ आपने एक बारी कर ली और आपको उसमें मजा आया, चांसेस है कि आप दोबारा करोगे, and that is what data backs.
Right.
So instead of the debate of लड़का कर रहा है ज़्यादा या लड़की कर रही है,
जो कर रहा है.
Yeah, let's be like, let's guard ourselves in such a way कि whether it's a guy or a girl, if he's done it once, he's likely to do it again, and that is how we are supposed to make our choices.
Yes, so beware, guys and girls out there, and
सावधान रहें, सतर्क रहें,
सुरक्षित रहें. Right. And before we move on to talk about more interesting things, I would like to take a moment and thank our sponsors. Sponsors are very important so that we can bring you original content and content that resonates with all of us. So here's a shout out to today's sponsors, that is Botanic Hearth.
एंड स्पीकिंग ऑफ दैट, लड़कियां अपने पार्टनर्स के साथ लॉयल हो या ना हो, वो अपने हेयर केयर ब्रांड्स के साथ काफ़ी लॉयल होती है, और मैं तो काफ़ी लॉयल हूँ इस रोजमेरी हेयर ऑयल से बाय बोटैनिक हर्थ. इट नॉट ओनली नरिशेज माई हेयर बट इट ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव्स हेयर ग्रोथ एंड स्कैल्प हेल्थ एंड मेक्स द हेयर स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड शाइनियर.